Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In today's session we are going to learn preposition at part 3. Let us learn use number 11 of preposition at. What is that? It is used to state the distance. It is used to state the distance. At, preposition at, we use to state the distance away from something. Okay, it is used to state the distance away from something. Let us see here. So here, can you read that taxi number plate at 30 meters? What is the meaning of this sentence? What is the meaning of these examples? Can you read that taxi number plate? Can you read the taxi number plate at 30 meters? It means you are asking somebody to read that taxi number. So taxi is away, 30 meters away from you and your friend. Your friend and you both are standing and you are asking your friend, can you read that taxi number plate at 30 meters? So this is the distance from you and your friend both are away from taxi, which is, away 30 meters away from you. Okay, this is one example. Next one, it is used to show the situation. It is used to show the situation something is in. Okay, what somebody is doing. In that situation also we use preposition at. Example is here, I think Mr. Rahul is at lunch. So here you can notice that preposition at we have used here. Okay, and here, can you read the taxi number plate? Can you read the taxi number plate at 30 meters? So here we have used preposition at to show or to state the distance. What is the distance here? Distance is 30 meters. 30 meters is the distance. So before that we have used preposition at 30 meters. Okay, and here I think Mr. Rahul is at lunch. So at lunch. So here what is there? Preposition at we have used here. Okay, what somebody is doing. Mr. Rahul is at lunch. Mr. Rahul is doing lunch. Okay, now it is time to move on to the next use of preposition at. So we have here number 13, use. It is used with adjectives to show the cause of something. To show the cause of something, we use at with adjectives to show the cause of something. Example, Rahul was delighted at the result. Rahul was delighted. How was Rahul? Rahul was very excited. Rahul was very happy. Rahul was extremely happy or delighted at the result. So you can notice here preposition at we have used here. Okay, to show the adjective. Delighted. He was delighted. He was happy. He was glad. He was extremely happy. So Rahul was delighted. Okay, Rahul was feeling immense pleasure. That's the reason he was delighted. Rahul was delighted at the result. So here preposition at we have used. Okay, here we have used preposition at here. Okay, before adjective. Delighted. He was delighted. Next one, in response to something. What is the meaning of in response to something? We use preposition at here also. Example, they attended the party at the principal's invitation. They, who are they? They are the staff of school. Attended the party at the principal's invitation. So this is principal's invitation. The principal sir has invited the staff. In response to that, they attended. They, who are they? They are staff. They attended the party at the principal's invitation. So principal sir's invitation, or in response to principal sir's invitation, they attended the party. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Enjoy learning.